According to the Factories Act, an adult is a person who has completed their 18th year of age. That's correct. And an adolescent is a person who has completed their 15th year of age but has not completed their 18th year. And a child is a person who has not completed their 15th year of age. Right. And a young person is either a child or an adolescent. The Act also defines a competent person as someone recognized by the Chief Inspector for carrying out tests, examinations, and inspections required in a factory. Yes, and more than one person or institution can be recognized as a competent person in relation to a factory. The Act also defines a hazardous process as any process or activity in relation to an industry specified in the first schedule that could cause material impairment to the health of the persons engaged in or connected therewith. That's correct. And a manufacturing process is any process for making, altering, repairing, or otherwise treating any article or substance with a view to its use, sale, transport, delivery, or disposal. And a worker is a person employed in any manufacturing process or in cleaning any part of the machinery or premises used for a manufacturing process. That's right. And a factory is any premises where 10 or more workers are working and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on with the aid of power. Or where 20 or more workers are working, and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on without the aid of power. But a factory does not include a mine subject to the operation of the Mines Act, 1952, or a mobile unit belonging to the armed forces of the Union, railway running shed, or a hotel, restaurant, or eating place. And the occupier of a factory is the person who has ultimate control over the affairs of the factory. That's correct. In the case of a company, any one of the directors shall be deemed to be the occupier. In summary, Chapter 1 of the Factories Act provides important definitions and provisions that are crucial for ensuring the safety and well-being of workers in factories. Yes, it's important for all employers and employees to have a clear understanding of these definitions and provisions to ensure compliance with the Act.